The BCCI will celebrate outstanding achievements across Indian cricket at the BCCI Naman Awards 2026 on March 15 in New Delhi. Former India greats Roger Binney and Rahul Dravid will receive the prestigious Colonel C.K. Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award, while former India women's cricket team captain Mithali Raj will be honoured with the BCCI Lifetime Achievement Award for Women. Odisha Parv 2026 second day highlighted development, language and heritage. The discussion sessions Navchetna Odisha and Bhasha Odisha stressed on the state's development and preserving the Odia language. In the evening, Delhi CM Rekha Gupta attended the event as chief guest. To India Flag Shipping Corporation of India, LPG tankers crossed the Strait of Hormuz and are heading towards India. The names of the ships are Shivalik and Nanda Devi. The passage of these two ships comes after a series of conversations between the Indian and the Iranian leaderships over the last few days. President Donald Trump said the United States Central Command carried out a massive bombing raid on military targets on Kurg Island in Iran, claiming the operation totally obliterated every military site on the island. In a post on Truth Social, he said the strike was carried out on his orders. Cuttack Barbati MLA Sofia Firdaus voiced disappointment against PCC's Rajya Sabha candidate choice, alleging no consultation with most legislatures. She claimed exclusion from key decisions, warning Congress' move weakens secularism and undermines party unity. The Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation has temporarily relaxed its regulations, allowing business to use traditional wood stoves and coal as alternatives to LPG. It has been urged to citizens not to panic or hoard gas cylinders unnecessarily. Police arrested 4 members, including a woman of the Pushpa gang in Bhubaneswar, for creating terror in the city. The gang had attacked lawyers and spread fear by brandishing swords before being identified via CCTV. The main accused remains absconding. Police took Ramesh Garya, who had allegedly killed his wife, daughter-in-law and granddaughter, into custody after a tense standoff with police and local residents. The murder incident had took place in Garyapali village, under Kundhegola police station on Friday. Relief from intense heat is expected soon as weather systems develop over the weekend may trigger widespread rain, thunderstorms and hailstorms across several places in Odisha. Weather experts predict a shift in conditions from March 15.